In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp securely and efficiently. Whether you're using ClickUp on a shared device or simply taking a break, logging out appropriately is crucial in maintaining your privacy and protecting your data. Now let's get started by walking through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to ClickUp's website. You can easily access it by opening your preferred web browser and entering the address in the search bar. Once the page loads, you should see the ClickUp interface, which is vibrant and intuitive, designed with user experience in mind. This is where your projects, tasks, and workspaces live. Next, focus your attention on locating your profile icon. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of the screen. It's usually represented by your initials or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this icon, and it will open up a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account preferences and settings. This area is where you can typically adjust how your ClickUp appears or change notification settings, among other things. But for today, we'll focus solely on logging out. In this drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Log Out. Click on it. This action will securely log you out of your account, ensuring that none of your information is accessible to anyone else who might use this device after you. It's always a good idea to ensure you've successfully logged out, especially on public or shared computers. Once the process is complete, you'll notice that you are redirected to ClickUp's login screen, confirming that you are no longer logged into your account. And that's it. You're done. By following these simple and efficient steps, you've logged out of your ClickUp account safely. It's a straightforward process, but it's an important habit to cultivate whenever you're leaving your workstations, especially in a shared space, as it adds that extra layer of security. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in ensuring that every time you step away from your desk, you can do so confidently, knowing that all your important data and project information is kept secure. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. See you in the next video.